Welcome back to your YouTube channel. This is me, Kyle, and this is
Stacy.
and we eating like bananas.
Banana biscuit. They taste like good and they taste healthy and milk.
My favorite is this cookie, and my favorite is this, and my favorite is this,
So good.
and the favorite is this, and the favorite is this.
Parang di naman natin.
Ito yung mga favorite ko. Kasi taste, alam ko na hindi. Kasi para silang look masarap. Mailig ako eh. We did man the candy. Di pa namin tinikpan yung candies. Ilan yung mga candy ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is 15! Disay pa kuha ng isa, bibigyan kita. This is sa'yo yan. I know this. This is a bilogin kain. We did man this. Oh my gosh! This is 7. This is 7 cookies. I'm eat the 1 and still 3. I'm eat the 3. Kinain na natin.
Tasty.
Kinain na namin tong dalawa. E di ilan na? 4 na lang yung tatlo. Naulog! Kinain ko na to. Naulog yung mga candies. Oh my gosh! Itikman this. Tikman mo yung kalabayo. Kalabao. This is
This is a cow.
cow. This is about, oh my god. I look smell so yummy. So yummy.
It's so sticky.